Hello friends, welcome to Anon Hack Tech. Today I am going to show you how to reset or remove Windows 10 forgotten password without format operating system. It's also work on Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. So guys, without talking too much, let's start. Firstly, I am going to set administrator password in Windows 10 machine. Okay, now I am trying to log in Windows. Here is asking password. Suppose that I forgot the administrator password or any user account password. Now what we will do? Okay, if you are a Windows 10 user, you need Windows 10 bootable pen drive. If you are Windows 7 user, you need Windows 7 bootable pen drive. It's depend on you. Okay, if you don't know how to create Windows 10 bootable pen drive, I already created video tutorial about that. You can watch that video from the description. Okay, now insert the Windows 10 bootable pen drive and restart your PC and boot with Windows 10 bootable pen drive. Alright, here in Windows 10 setup menu, press Shift plus F10. It will open command prompt. Now I have installed Windows 10 in D drive. That's why I am going to D drive. In your case, it will be in C drive. Okay, now go to system32 directory. Type the following command and press enter. Okay, now we have to change to file name. Type the following command and press enter. Again type the following command and press enter. Now close the command prompt and close the Windows setup. Okay, now we are in login window. Press 5 times Shift plus Control plus Alt. It will open command prompt. Now type net user and press enter. It will show all your user account. Now type net user and user account name, which account password you want to change or remove. I will change administrator password. So typing here administrator space star and press enter. Okay, now type a new password for the user account. If you don't want to set any password, leave blank and press enter. Now re-enter the password, or if you didn't set password, leave blank and press enter. Alright, now administrator password successfully removed. Now close the command prompt and restart the computer. You can see here is not asking any type of password. Okay, now we have a command prompt error. You can see command prompt not opening. Okay, now restart your computer and again boot with bootable pen drive. Okay, in setup menu, press Shift plus F10. It will open command prompt. Go to Windows installed directory. I have installed in D drive. In your case, it will be C drive. Then go to System 32 directory. Type the following command and press enter. Now we will again rename two files. Type the following command and press enter. Okay, again type the following command and press enter. Okay, now close the command prompt, then close the Windows setup and restart the computer. Alright, now command prompt also working fine. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.